Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
Not what are you going to be doing, but what is involved. What are the pieces of the jigsaw? Not how are you going to put the jigsaw together.
What needs to be done?
Yeah, exactly. What needs to be done? The scope of the project. Well, we need 6 project managers. We need 5 people on IT, and you list out your hierarchy for the project. We need this investment. We need to own the software or have domain over this particular software for this particular project. That's what we talk about scope. And then the risk analyst goes, but if you take that team off the software, how is it going to affect them? And there's the ecology questions. All right. Mm-hmm. So scope. What else is the schedule? So the risk analyst is now saying, hey, look, you really think you can get this done by the 31st of December? Really? Show me. Or prove to me how other companies have achieved this in this time. Oh, I can't. I just believe that we can do it. No. Yeah, so how then does the dreamer justify the schedule?
Well, going back to the plan that he's done, not the plan, the
part of smart with the
the smart, the measurables and the
Yes. Do you remember the T of smart? Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
So it's not just a case of I know it can be done because I've seen it done before, or I'm basing my theory on last quarter's project. It's a case of I've got X number of people doing X number of tasks which can be done in 1 week. So you chunk it in weeks or days.
Yes.
I know that they can achieve that amount because they are currently achieving this amount. The risk analyst is much more willing to hear your discussion now because you're chunking it and it's making sense. You're quantifying. Use quantifiable evidence, but chunk it into segments of day or in terms of teams, individuals, or even hours.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.